Thank you, Russ, and wonderful to be here this afternoon. Thank you for having me. On behalf of the American Council of Engineering Companies and the nation's engineering industry, to honor a wonderful project, the Mountain Parkway expansion project, and what a great venue to do this. So, Governor, thank you for having us. ACEC is America's engineering industry, representing over 5,500 companies around the state of Kentucky, throughout the country, and operating throughout the world in support of the nation's diplomatic and national security missions. Our members see firsthand every day the critical importance of investing in the nation's infrastructure, not only to repair and fix what we already have, but to invest in projects like the Mountain Parkway that become the catalyst for a better and more prosperous future. ACEC was a strong supporter of the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act in Congress. That's investing $1.3 trillion nationwide in transportation, water, and other forms of infrastructure. We support initiatives like IIJA and what we hope will replace IIJA because they make projects like this one possible. Which brings us to Frankfurt. The latest stop in the Engineering Public Works Roadshow, as Russ indicated. This is a national effort being led by the nation's leading engineering organizations and public works organizations, really to celebrate, as Russ indicated, transformational projects that the engineers who design them and help deliver them to the public. We also celebrate elected leaders and policymakers at the local, state, and federal level that have the vision to see how infrastructure investments can drive economic growth, create jobs, and make a difference in people's lives for generations to come. For this reason, we're very pleased and honored to be here today with Governor Andy Beshear. Thank you, Governor, for your vision and your leadership in moving this project forward. Thanks to Chairman Blanton for your support and participation. And again, I would echo Russ's thanks to Transportation Secretary Gray and the FHWA Administrator Jeter for the critical roles that you play every day in delivering transportation projects to the public. As I said, projects like the Mountain Parkway expansion become a part of our daily lives, making it easier and safer to get to work, get to school. This project will also bring economic activity and jobs to a region in Kentucky that needs both. The engineering firms that worked on this project are very much a part of the fabric of the Commonwealth. These firms include QK4, HMB Professional Engineers, Stantec, HDR, Strand Associates, American Engineers, EA Partners, JMT, which is formerly Vaughan and Melton, H.W. Lochner, WSP, and of course Palmer Engineering, which is serving as the lead designer for the design-build team on the final segment of this project that we're talking about today. Many of these are homegrown Kentucky engineering firms. Others are large national firms that have put down Kentucky roots. But all of them work every day on projects just like this one to make our communities better places to live and work and play, and like I said, for generations now and to come. I also want to recognize ACEC Construction, and I don't know if Gary Taylor, the president of the company, is here. Thank you, sir, for being here. ACEC has worked on various aspects of this project, and they're the lead constructor for the design-build team on the final segment currently under development. On behalf of ACEC, thank you for the opportunity to celebrate this wonderful project and celebrate the partnership between Kentucky engineers and constructors, elected officials, and federal and state agency partners that made it happen. Thank you very much. Russ, I'll turn it back over to you.
All right, thank you, Steve Hall. Now I'd like to call to the podium Keith.